Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get working PS4 emulator for your iPhone and Android devices. As you can see, I already have this PS4 emulator app and everything works fine. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Open your favorite web browser and go to this website. As you can see, you can find many great mobile apps and games here. Find the PS4 emulator and go to the next steps. The installation process is very simple. Just click the Start Installation button. The last step is simple device verification process. The verification process is simple. Complete 2 tasks from the list and remember to follow instructions below them. After that you will get fully working app. Let's speed up video for this process. After completing the verification, the emulator is fully functional. You can download and play PS4 games on your phone. Thanks for watching and have fun with the PS4 emulator.